Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and, above average volume, not the biggest it's ever had, but definitely above what the chart is normally used to seeing. And price, like I said, all over the place, big move down, and then late day afternoon, to give credit where credit's due, did show a nice sign of strength by getting, a bounce back upwards. So now, going forward, it's really a question of, did this late day, movement here, is this the start of something bigger, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? And if this is the start of something bigger, well, then the level that must hold, and this is nothing vastly complicated, but that 55-cent level needs to be able to hold. Why? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that if this is the start of something bigger, well, then definition, the price needs to keep on getting bigger. Or in other words, the price needs to make signs and show signs of progress forward. Price movements with true power are not going to go back to where they were. Like I said, hopefully we can agree on that logic. So with that in mind, think about 55. If the price were to come down to 55 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would quite literally be putting the price right back to where it was at these lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price comes down here, and like it has already done once, so it does that a few more times and then works its way back upwards, well, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress is being defined right there at the 55-cent mark. Now, on the flip side of things, in regards to levels of resistance, nothing fancy here. It's all about that purple line up there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 50-period moving average, and the current value of that is at 58 cents there. So we'll see what happens with it, but no doubt about it. Like I said, got to give credit where credit's due. Nice bounce this afternoon. Can the bulls build upon this bounce and start to turn things around? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.